In today's video, I'm going to be doing a living room tour. So for context, we have been living here for about 3 years now, and we live in a 2-bed, 2-bath condo here in Toronto. I'll be going into detail about where we got some of our pieces and the pricing. So one of our most asked about pieces is this shelf you see here on the wall. This is the Kartell bookworm. And it was originally a white color, but we decided to spray paint it silver, and we really like the look of it. So this is actually supposed to be one singular piece, but unfortunately 1 week into moving in, we had a frame drop on the shelf and it split it into two. It's still really functional and we think it still looks good even though it's divided into two. So I'll just be going through some of the details we have on this wall here on the shelf. Over here we have a I'm a Leon door poster. It says International Friendship Through Basketball. I believe it's from 2021. You can probably still get it secondhand from sites like Grailed. And over here we have a Monstera. I beaded the roots and I really like the look of it. We have some books here, and then this little figurine is from the brand Bearbrick, and it's the 400% size, and it came with the 100% as well. Over here, we have a washi lamp. This one is from the MoMA design store. We got this one from Japan, but you can get them at any MoMA store. I did also see it in New York. And then another poster we have here, it is a 2-page magazine spread that we just got from Etsy. So this right here is our media setup. This is a Samsung 65-inch QLED that we got from Costco. Our media console right here is the IKEA Besta, and we just switched out the legs. The legs I got from Amazon and I just painted it red. Ideally, I would love to switch out the media console to the USM hauler in white chrome. That's my dream piece for this area here. But for now, this works for us, and it does have a lot of storage as well. We just keep a lot of electronics, chargers, wires, and then sort of like our board games as well over here on the side. And then for the details on top of the media console, we have this IKEA lamp. It is wireless and you just turn it on by tapping the top and adjust the dimness. Over here, we have 2 Legos from the Fast and Furious series. A few magazines here. So we have a Bape magazine, a Hello Kitty, and a vintage Muhammad Ali Sports Illustrated magazine. In the middle, we have this Snoopy coin bank that we got from a Better Gift Shop in Toronto, and just a few more magazines. So we have a Rolex magazine and a Comme des Garçons. And then over on the side, we have a Stussy card deck that we like to use. Some Chrome Hearts matches that we got for free when we bought our jewelry, and just 2 more magazines. This one is a Girls Don't Cry Hypebeast magazine, and then this one is a Bathing Ape magazine. On top of the console, we have this Umbra lamp in chrome, and we just really love the red detailing of it. We thought something was missing over the TV, so we decided to put a clock. Here on the side, we have our incense. So we just have it held up by these Lego storage boxes that I got from Temu, but we just have all of our incense displayed here. We got majority of them from when we were in Japan because they are a lot cheaper. They go for around 900 yen, which is around 8 Canadian dollars, versus if you were to buy it here, they're around 20. And over here is where we light our incense. So this is the kuumba incense holder that we also got from Japan, and it was around $100. This is our coffee table. It's the Begboda from IKEA, and we really love the chrome detailing here. We love this design from IKEA, and we're so happy that they're bringing it back. In the center of the room, we have mounted on the ceiling is a Akari 45A lamp. I originally bought this for our first place. It fit perfectly, but in this space, it feels a little small, so I'm thinking of switching it out to the Akari 15A or the Herman Miller Nelson pendant lamp in the saucer version for both of them. But they are pretty expensive. They're around 1,000 Canadian each, so I think this is fine for now. This piece right here is actually a skate deck, and it's just 5 Birkins in a row. This is how it looks like, and it's from this brand called Alzheimer's. We got it here in Toronto from a store called The Drift. Finally, we have our couch. It is the IKEA jattebo in this beige color. So we really love this couch because it's modular. You can remove the covers, and there's actually storage underneath each of these 2 pieces. This couch was around 2,500 Canadian. And one thing to note is that it doesn't really have a lot of back support. That we did buy this additional piece that goes here on the back, so you are able to get that support. I just wanted to show the storage. So this is how the storage looks like underneath. We just keep a lot of our sports equipment here. Overall, we really love this couch. It's so comfy, and I would definitely buy it again. I think that's it for the living room tour. I tried to go into as much detail as I can, but if I missed anything, please let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.